So the first thing that you need to do is to download the library. So you can go to the Arduino library manager and you can type ESPFileManager, and you will see that it is present in the library manager. After that, let me show you how you can use it. So this library is based on ESP Async web server library, so you need to add those libraries. After that, SPI, SD card, and the Wi-Fi libraries that are required for this. And now I'm going to add the actual library. So after that, we'll need to define the Wi-Fi password, Wi-Fi SSID, and the chip select pin of the SD card. And after that, we'll be creating the objects for both of the library, the web server library and the ESP file manager library. And rest of the code will go into the setup function. We don't need to add anything into the loop function. So here initially we're setting up the serial monitor or the UART setup, and after that we are connecting to the Wi-Fi, and here we are pointing the IP address to the serial monitor. So this line basically initialize the SD card using the file manager library. So you need to pass the SD object and the chip select pin of the SD card, and after that we are passing the server object to the library, and we are starting the server at the end of this. Now I'm going to upload the code to give you a demo of the device, the library. Code is uploaded successfully. Now I have opened the serial monitor and we got the IP address here, and now I'm going to open the web browser, and here let's type the IP address. So it's 192.168. Whatever the IP address you got, you need to enter /file to open the browser window. Okay, so here you can see that as soon as I open the page, and here is the content of our SD card. So you can see the folders, the files, and you will be able to like delete the files. Let's say I want to delete this file. Click on the upload button to upload the file. Download this file, we can click on the download file button, and you can see that the file is downloading right now. Okay, so if you have any questions, comment on the video.